What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And today I wanted to talk about AXIE Infinity. And they just set a new all-time high in this Ethereum-based NFT game that went viral. Mana and Sin also thrived in this weekend's gaming coin rally. So there was a lot of gaming rally games. Gaming back coins, that have rallied. So, in brief, AXS set an all-time high of $18.34. AXS is the native governance token on a Pokemon-style open world called AXIE Infinity. I've never heard of this before today, so I am going to have to look into this after this. I kind of want to play this game now myself. Other top gaming tokens are rallying today. So this looks pretty cool to me. It's like a Pokemon game, which is what I was hoping the Dogecoin Disco Dance Party one was. I was kind of excited to play that game and interact with the other community members and all of that, but it didn't work. It's been over a week now, and I still can't get the game to work or recognize my location or let my camera work or withdraw the Dojagachi. None of it works. None of it. Do not believe Disco Dance Party until they prove themselves, because I gave them the benefit of the doubt. I made videos about it, and then they completely let me down. 100%. Their app doesn't work. I wasted my time doing the videos. I wasted my time doing their weird little disco dance party online thing, which I didn't consider a waste of time until the game didn't work, right? It would have been okay. I would have been fine with, going on there, supporting the community, talking with them. But it was really weird. When I went to talk, the dude that was talking to me, his voice just disappeared. It was really weird. And then they left my mic on for a while, and I thought he was going to say something to me again, and then he didn't. And then they shut my mic off again. I was just waiting to hear what he said so I could respond, and that never happened. It was just really weird, everything that happened. And then the game didn't work. It's like, man, I'm sorry if I led you guys to the wrong area. If you had fun with the disco dance party, that's cool, but the game absolutely does not work. And if it did, it would have went viral, and it would have took off like this game did, right? So that's their own fault for not putting the proper work into their actual app. They should have done it through Google Play or Apple Store or somewhere, or partnered with somebody that could actually make sure that the app can work on everybody's phone. That's giving them the benefit of the doubt still, though. What I think they did is they opened up the game to all the people promoting it, right? Which they didn't for me for some reason. But I think what they did is they opened it up to everybody promoting it, let the location work and the camera work. But then when they released it to the public, they just made sure those things didn't work. Then you couldn't, spend their Doge. They give you 69 Doge to put down and a Dojagachi, right? And you're supposed to be able to pick those back up and get 69 Dogecoin, which is perverted anyway, right? 69. So I'm already not liking them. They have subtle innuendos that aren't very, kid friendly or, gamer friendly, whatever, family friendly, let's say. They pretend to be family friendly, and then they throw in that kind of stuff, the 420s, the 69s. Okay, 2 thumbs down, disco dance party. The more I think about it, the more I don't like it. Now let's get back to the Axis. I'm sorry I went off on a tangent there, but I'm really upset about disco dance party. They're a joke, all right? Let's just say that. He is a Dogecoin millionaire, and he's going to stay that way because he's a liar, and he doesn't like to actually give away stuff. So I hope they prove me wrong. I will get on here and I will do a video saying I was wrong. I doubt that's going to happen. So we'll see. Access is the native governance token of a Pokemon style open world game. It is a very good day to be an AXIE Infinity fan or investor. AXIE Infinity's AXS token rose by 45% overnight, hitting an all-time high price of $18.34. So this thing was at about maybe 10 bucks, right around $9-10, and boom, shot up to 18.34. So pretty cool. Axie Infinity is a Pokemon-inspired open-world game on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, where players raise, train, and battle adorable little tokenized monsters called Axies. That sounds really cool. And that it's decentralized, that is the best part. I hope it's decentralized. I mean, it's an NFT-based game, so you would assume that it's, decentralized. The game blew up towards the end of June and now boasts more than 250,000 daily active players. The most expensive Axie ever sold came to 300 Ethereum, or about 633,000 in today's prices. If you talk about all-time highs, that's over $1 million, right? That's like $1.2 million or $1.3 million in all-time high prices. Its success is remarkable given the high barrier to entry to playing the game, which means it must cost money to enter. So everybody look at this. The first step to being an Axie trainer is to procure 3 Axie NFTs. No easy feat when the cheapest critter on the Axie marketplace currently costs 0.1 Ethereum, which is over 200 bucks. Or 214 bucks. Yep. So that's crazy. They want two. That's the cheapest. So no wonder it's doing so good, and the buy-in is so high, and that's why it does so well. Oh wow, that's a cool game. The AXS governance token was launched through a sale on Binance in November of last year. Man, Binance. Axis stands for Axie Infinity Shards. The game rewards players with governance rights for their in-game questing and axe hodling. Axis is an ERC20 token, which means it's a fungible Ethereum token, no different than Mana or Sand. Tokens from gaming competitors Decentraland and the Sandbox. These ERC20 tokens are different from the Axies themselves, which are non-fungible tokens. Okay. So there's an ERC20 token called Axis, but it's not the same as the actual Axies themselves. Those are those are the NFTs. So Axis is an actual ERC20 token, which just means it's a token on the Ethereum blockchain, which is going to pay high Ethereum fees, which kind of sucks. And then the non-fungible token is the Axies, which are the actual art and in-game characters. So that's pretty cool. I like that it has 2 different parts to it. This means each of the more than 1 million Axie NFTs are one of a kind. So I can't wait till they do the Mona Lisa NFT. That's the one I've been waiting on. Or like really fine art NFT. That's what I'm waiting on. I know it's kind of like a joke thing, but I'd really like to see some fine art on there. Like Van Gogh or, stuff like that. Today's spike follows a turbulent week for the gaming coins. Just yesterday, the top 3 blockchain gaming tokens, Axis, Mana, and Sand, were all crashing after enjoying a 7-day rally. So basically, these coins keep pumping and dumping. So you have a lot of fans that, get into it and then probably, don't have any more money to spend until the next paycheck. That's why they pump and dump like that. I really think that's why, is because people are waiting for the next money they can invest in the game because they're so expensive, right? I mean, you have to pay 214 bucks just for the cheapest one, right? So that's really expensive. Upcoming open world platform, the Sandbox's Sand token is worth 52 cents at the time of writing, having grown in price by 33% overnight, while Decentraland's Mana token enjoyed an 18% surge to hit a new price of 75 cents. Blockchain's gaming is a niche market with various economic and technological barriers to entry, but this week's surging interest could indicate a bright future. So that's pretty cool. I like this game. So before I play it, I give it probably a 6 out of 10 just because it costs so much to join the game. Um, I would have gave it like maybe a 9 out of 10 if this wasn't the case before playing it, but I'd actually have to play it to let you know. I might in the future. If you guys want to see me play this, you can fund it in the Bitcoin wallet below, or I will actually leave an Ethereum wallet so that I could actually go straight from, you know, Ethereum straight to buying one of these. If you want to fund that and see me play this, you can fund that in the description below. I'll leave a link for you to do that if you want me to. If not, don't worry about it. But I'd kind of like to test this game out for you guys and let you know. I'll make a video about it if you do that. Let's just see if you guys want me to play this game and, you know, give an Axie. And then I might end up giving the Axie away to one of you guys. Like, I only want to do this for you guys. I'm not doing it to get an NFT for myself. Like, if you want to see me play this game and then give away the Axie afterwards, go ahead and donate in the Ethereum address below. We'll do it in the Ethereum. That way I can just get right over there, get in the game, you know, buy an Axie, show you guys me playing it, and then give it away to you guys. So I think that sounds like a cool idea. It's up to you guys as a community, though. If not, I might come back to this later when my community grows or when I have some money to invest in this, and then I'll do it and just give away the NFT anyway. That's kind of what this channel is about. It just, you know, finding out the cool stuff and then experiencing it together, and then I just kind of give it to you guys. You know, that's kind of how this is going to work in the future, you know, if we have stuff that we're trying out as a community together. So, and then if you guys want to join me on here as well, you know, if you want to join and play the game, you know, after that happens, we can get a little group going. Not a lot of people have 214, but if we get more than that, you know, in the description below, maybe I'll invite some of the, you know, the loyal subscribers to join. So we'll see. If anybody wants to see us play this, go ahead and, you know, give us some Ethereum in the description below, and we'll play this for you and see how good it really is. But if you were going to do it, you'd probably do it yourself, right? Unless it's the people who run this game. If you want to donate an NFT to the channel so that we can play this, that would be cool as well. You're probably not watching this, but if you are, that would be awesome. Yeah, so if you guys want to see me play this, you know what to do. So, all right, let's move on. I wanted to show this to you guys because this was cool. I thought it was awesome. It shows how much crypto is advancing and how much it's becoming a part of everyday business, right? And so we're into the auction stuff here. So Sotheby's sells rare diamond for $12.3 million in crypto. That's amazing. Why would they do it in crypto? That's the cool part. Like, this probably wouldn't have caught my interest, but the last part, they bought it in crypto. So crypto is becoming like a daily part of everyday life, even in auction houses now, right? This is crazy. So I want to read this. Sotheby's, a 277-year-old British auction house, sold a rare 101.38 carat diamond for $12.3 million in US, or 95 million in Hong Kong dollars, in cryptocurrency on Friday in a Hong Kong auction to an anonymous buyer. If I bought a $12.3 million diamond, I would be anonymous too. Unless I had some awesome security, right? Because people would try to rob you all day long. The auction house said the sale of the gemstone shows that a milestone was reached in the adoption of cryptocurrencies. This is what I'm talking about, a milestone. $12.3 million is a lot. Now, in cryptocurrency, that is a big purchase. The diamond, dubbed the Key 10138, is the second largest pear-shaped diamond ever to appear in the public market and came from the world-leading diamond company Diacor, said Sotheby's. The auction house did not say in its release Friday which cryptocurrencies were used to pay for the diamond, but previously Sotheby's said that it would accept Bitcoin and Ether for what it had estimated would be a sale of $15 million. So they took $2.2 million or $2.7 million less than they wanted for it. That's crazy. The auction house, by introducing this innovative payment option to our luxury sale, we open up new possibilities and expand our reach into a whole new clientele, many of whom are from the digitally savvy the digital savvy generation. When Wenhao Yu, deputy chairman of Sotheby's Jewelry in Asia. The acceptance of cryptocurrency as a supported payment option is a first for the auction house. And I guess it'll be processed by Coinbase Commerce. So Coinbase has its hand in yet another huge cryptocurrency purchase. So that's pretty cool to me. I like that. It's pretty cool. I did want to go and look at the Bitcoin price real quick before we leave. And I wanted to show you this daily chart right here. So I think we have an descending triangle. And dang it, I was going to look that up before I got on the video. I'm sorry. I'll get better at these. Over time, I won't be using my phone as much. So what does a descending triangle mean normally?
According to Investopedia, a descending triangle is a signal for traders to take a short position to accelerate a breakdown.
Yikes. Okay, so this is a descending triangle, right? This is huge. This is on the 1-day chart. And it goes all the way back from here. And we could actually even move it up a little bit if you don't want to do the actual wicks. You can do it right here. Which, yeah, I'd say it's even a little bit lower than that. Right there. So there we go. That could do it too. But it's definitely a descending triangle. But that's a short-term bearish signal, so we could break down below that. This has been a nice point of support for us. So if we do break down below this, we could drop to the $30,000 level. This is not good at a $33,000 price. But if we break up, this could be a continuation pattern to the upside, but it doesn't look so. Because of the bigger downtrend that we've been seeing lately, this does not look good. But it could, and what I was reading just now is it could do this. It could go down like this and then continue on, right? And hopefully this is more of what we're going to see. And that's what I hope it looks like if it breaks to the downside. And then we continue up after that. But now, if we break the $28,800 level right here, okay, if we break this level, right about here, we're toast. That means we're in a bear market. That means the bull rally is over. That means it is time to get your jackets on. It's time to get the parka on. We're in crypto winter for sure. So, until this happens, I'm bullish. All right? Until we drop below this line. If it goes like this and wicks down and then back up, we're good. If it goes down and we close below 28.8, get your jackets on. Get your boots on. It's going to be a long winter. But until then, I'm still bullish. I hope this could be a continuation pattern since we are in a bull market. And I hope we do more than just go sideways for a while, right? I don't want to see this. I do not want to see that. That was an accident, but a happy one nonetheless. So, what I want to see, this is we break up right here out of the descending triangle. And we break out. Whoosh! That's what I want to happen. That is not going to happen right now. But that's what I want to happen, right? Okay. I don't know. That would be cool. But watch this line. I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to leave this line here. It doesn't look the best right here, but it's pretty straight for the most part. And we're going to leave that there for you to see. If we drop below this level, time to panic. I'm just kidding. It's never time to panic. Never panic sell. Never do that. If you don't have the money to put into crypto, don't put the money into crypto, right? This is long-term investments. This is for your future. This is to, make wealth for your family, and that's what you're doing. Now, if you're doing that, it drops below this, it's time to just hodl, hodl, hodl. I wouldn't say to sell right here anyway. So I say this, all right? Here's my advice. Not financial advice, but this is my own, whatever you want to call it, my own, what I'm looking for myself. This is what I'm looking for. If we pass this level right here, then we're going to go up. Okay, these are the two levels that if they break above or below and close above or below these, they will take off in either direction. This one is actually a little too high, 44,000. I need that to come a little lower. I mean 42,000. But yeah, we'll say 44. We'll leave it up at 44. If it goes above 44,000, we are going sky high. We continue our crypto bull market, our giant bull cycle, and we go giant. If we break below this, we are definitely going to retrace the $20,000 level. And it's time to gear up and be in this for the long haul. So, if it gets above, now I'll show you my sell price of when I'm going to sell some of my Bitcoin. This is what I'm going to do. So this is where it's going to go above. This is where if it goes below, now we're going to go up to my sell price. I'm selling some of my Bitcoin at this level right here. Not all of it, 67,000. New all-time high, I'm selling some of my Bitcoin. Okay, I'm going to leave these levels on here for you guys. These are the levels that you should pay attention to. And this is just my personal outlook, not financial advice, but this is the levels you should seriously research and look at and make them barriers in your trading portfolio. If they go above, you do this. If they go below, you do this. This is what a successful trader does. They have contingency plans for every single scenario. That's why when we tell you it could go up or it could go down, it is to save you from me saying it's going to go up right now. Buy Bitcoin. It's going to go up. And then it goes down oops, I was wrong. Sorry, you just bought Bitcoin and lost money. No, that would be very, very, very unprofessional to do that. What you need to do is let them know this is the levels, this is what could happen. If this does happen, this is what you should do. If this happens, this is what you should do. If this happens, this is what you should do. Or actually, more like, if this happens, this is what I'm doing. If this happens, this is what I'm doing. If this happens, this is what I'm doing. Then you make your own research decisions on what you would do if this happened, if this happened, if this happened. But if you didn't know that this could happen, or this could happen, or this could happen, how could you plan for those situations? So those are the good things about listening to technical analysis, is they give you what if scenarios, and then you have to figure out what you're going to do with those scenarios. And that's the way it should be. I shouldn't be telling you. I know it'd be a lot easier if I said the price is going down, short Bitcoin right now, or the price is going up, buy Bitcoin. Actually, I would never tell you to short Bitcoin because I don't believe in leverage trading. But what I'm saying is, sell your Bitcoin, whatever you would do. You would make that decision yourself, is what I'm saying. So, yeah, we're basically consolidating right here, and it isn't looking all the best. So we might have just another month of sideways, which is good. We're not going down, but we're not going up either. So, all right, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!